lecture I'm going to discuss what object reference in Java programming language. So it is a hexadecimal number representing the memory address of object. So now you can see a string class object s1 hello and a string class object s2 and here initialize with the hello. So this is the code. So let's understand the object reference with the help of this code. Okay, so this is now a string class s1 object. So this is s1 and when JVM execute, so it create the object and here it allowed the some or reference ID. So let's say 9CFGH1. So this is the reference ID of s1. So this create the object. Okay, and creating the another string object s2. So this is now s2 and JVM execute, it allows another reference ID, let's say 8FC9K something 1. So this is for s2 here, reference ID of this one. Now after that here, so this s1 s2, so now this initialize with the hello. So here this is now initialized with the hello and this is here initialized with also hello. So now you can see here I'm using equals operator. So equal operator here that do the comparison on the reference here. So this both has the different reference, so it's not the same, so that here when you execute then go to else part here that return different. But equals method here, now you can see this here I'm using the equals method. So equals method that do the comparison on the value. So here it has the same value, so that it's the same, so that this part execute. Now another thing is str1. So when JVM execute, then str1 has some reference ID. So str1, so let's say 9C9KB4. This is the reference ID of str1 and it has the value hello. Now here str2. So now str2, so str2 that C there, it has the same value. Okay, same value. Then here JVM does not create the another object, so here another object reference, so it applies here this the same address of str1. So this case str1 equal to str2 and here both has the same reference ID. So here str1 object created hello with hello and this reference ID str2 here is the same value, so that it won't create another object reference, so it applied here this reference. Okay, so that str1 and str2. But if you pass here str2 with some string, let's say abc, so here the value of str2 is now abc is there. So it JVM execute and it allowed the reference ID, let's say 99CFAB. Okay, so when that it has no same value, then same reference ID of this two object, and if it has the different values, then str1 and str2 has the different reference ID. So this is the main benefit of reference ID. So here with the reference ID we can check s1 and s2 has the same reference, and here either same or not the same. Okay, so when JVM execute, then it create the object with some allotted reference ID. So reference ID is the combination of hexadecimal. Okay, and it is useful to access the member of the object. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.